Rahim. Hello guys, welcome back to my boring YouTube channel. It's me, Dr. Haroon, back with another educational video on ECG. So today we are going to just discuss about the PQRS and T wave. I'm going to make it simple. So let's start. So we have got the ECG waves here. We have got the P wave, the QRS complex, and the T wave. Okay, so we'll go with the first wave. It is see, first you need to understand the isoelectric line, which is simple. It's a line where there are no voltages conducted. So anything above this line is a plus, anything below this line is a minus. So we have got our first wave, the P wave. So what does a P wave indicate? It basically indicates the atrial depolarization, or in other words, atrial contraction. So the P wave is divided into two segments, the right half and the left half. So the right heart it's an indicator of right atrial depolarization, and the left half is an indicator of left atrial depolarization. That's what you need to know. So P wave is basically atrial depolarization or atrial contraction. Okay, and then we have got the QRS complex, the tallest wave in an ECG. And if you look carefully, the Q is the first negative wave. We have got the isoelectric line here, and then below this isoelectric line, whatever comes is negative charge. So our Q wave is the first negative wave. Okay, I have mentioned it here. So QRS complex basically indicates ventricular depolarization or contraction of the ventricles. Okay, I hope this much is clear. And then we have got our last wave, which is the T wave, or ventricular repolarization or ventricular relaxation. When the ventricles contracted, we got the QRS complex. Now when the ventricles relax, we got the T wave. So T wave is nothing but ventricular repolarization or ventricular relaxation. Okay, so when this thing comes, we have got the atrial depolarization, we have got the ventricular depolarization, and then we have got the ventricular repolarization. So the question comes, where is the atrial repolarization? So you can't see an atrial repolarization on ECG. Okay, why is this? Because the atrial repolarization, it is there during the during the QRS complex, but it is hidden. The QRS, see, you guys already know that the ventricles are bigger compared to the atria, right? So the ventricular depolarization and the